Black defendants at a higher rate than they convict white defendants. I'm a lawyer in real life. I don't play one on television. And tonight, my heart is aching for Carmelo Anthony and for his family because there was nothing fair about the trial that he had. When we found out that the jury was all white, I knew at that point that his defense was in trouble. It was difficult for me to look at the coverage of the Carmelo Anthony case because once I knew a all-white jury panel was seated, the outcome felt like it was inevitable. I have to remind my Black son once again that the consequences for him are different than for other people. He can't do what other people do. He can't lawfully carry a gun and expect not to be harmed by police. He can't obey police commands and expect not to be harmed by, and he can't defend himself and expect his defense to be fairly heard by a jury of his peers. Studies show that the presence of a single Black juror decreases the conviction rate of Black defendants. Carmelo Anthony didn't have the benefit of having one Black person on his jury, and you'll never be able to convince me that he had a fair trial. All white jury.
It wasn't fair at all. Be real, man. You couldn't find one Black person to be a juror for this trial. He was railroaded. Simple as that. Ain't much I got to say about it, man. I feel bad for the youngin because he didn't even get a fair shot. He didn't get a fair shot. And like this lady said, man, once they said it was gonna be an all-white juror, I already knew. I said, it's gonna be hard for him, bro. You know, like I said, unless you said the rules are different for a Black man than it is for everybody else. If Black men defend themselves, it's a problem. If they go away, it's a problem. It's just a problem, period. It's just racism. Simple as that. That's all I'm going to say. It's just racism. I'm out.